Oh, damn. That guy just friggin' took off. Holy let's see if this lady's okay. That guy just ran. We're gonna help her out, okay, guys?
What kind of car is it?
The car that was hit is a white Toyota RAV4.
10 young men had already been chosen for the dangerous duty of decoying the soldiers. 2 Cheyennes, 2 Arapahoes, and 2 from each of the 3 Sioux divisions, Oglalas, Miniconjous, and Brulés. Crazy Horse, Hump, and Little Wolf were the leaders, while the decoys mounted and set off toward Lodge Trail Ridge. The main body of warriors moved down the Bozeman Road. Others remained mounted and concealed themselves behind 2 rocky ridges. By mid-morning, almost 2,000 warriors were waiting there for the decoys.
Maniacs!
Into the traffic.
There was a game, we played the Saints, that's who it was. We played the Saints in the Dome, and we had a 4-minute situation. We ran 97 power and 96 power 13 times in a row. That's old school.
What?
You can't do that anymore, because people eventually figure it out and they start blitzing backside, or they'll blitz through the A-gaps. Like, this was back when you could do things like that, and it was fun.
What is
now
wrong
you
with
see that
people
teams try
today?
to do this, and it doesn't.
So, Rachel McAdams is in this movie, and I'll get revved up by that's fine.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's in it. The hunky blonde guy that was in the...
Drake just swipe, Chris just made, suicide, bring the gate, pop a couple ways up in my grave.
Who's that girl? It's me, Zoe Deschanel.
You know, every once in a while you want to record a little.
Jesus Christ, what is wrong with that car? Oh my god.
That dude just ran that red light completely.
Yep.
Just after the Big Bang. One more. Just say one more thing.